Hey, I just wanted to shoot a quick video about the importance of Q4, quarter four for Merch by Amazon. Roughly October, November. Actually, October, November, December is technically the fourth quarter of the year. But I think it actually starts in September as well. Of course, you can benefit hugely in pretty much in every month on Amazon, on Merch by Amazon. Not so much January, but February you have Valentine's, March you have, there's always occasions, right? There's always awareness days or holidays, but really, where it really goes down is in Q4, October, November, December. Technically, you could only work on Merch by Amazon September through December and then take the year off and still make the bulk of your earnings. Technically, you could do that. I think you're leaving a lot of money on the table if you are. So, what does that mean? It means if you're in a lower tier, it's really important that you tier up very soon. Tier up before October if you can, and then once you open up more slots, because once November, December hits, nearly everything you put up is going to have a sale. It's just kind of what happens. It's a bit of an exaggeration, but that's generally you have to benefit from the enormous consumer economy that is the United States. And then come December, everyone gets online to buy gifts, and it goes crazy, right? Halloween in October, Thanksgiving in November, and Christmas in December. Those are the absolute blockbuster months. So if you're in a low tier 10, 25, 100, tier up. And you're saying okay, how will I tier up? So I'll put some links in the description. For one, you can sign up to merchnews.email. They give you, I think, a PDF which shows you what strategy you should take with each tier. On the other hand, you could read Michael Essig guide on the 4 ways to tier up really fast. Whatever the reason, it's essential that you focus now, because it's the most important time for Merch by Amazon. This is New York City, that's why it's quite loud. So hopefully I've stressed the importance of Q4. So I had actually my brother, who I got into Merch by Amazon with only 25, I think, designs up, if that, because he didn't tier up in time. Last year he made $700 in a month. Which is crazy for 25 designs. So imagine you had, hundreds of designs or thousands. There were days when, of course it's not going to happen to everyone, but some of us hit those trends right. And I was having days where I was making close to $2,000 a day. And so it can get really crazy. Of course, that's like some of the higher limits of what you can reach. It's a big time. So hopefully, you can see the importance of, I recommend just hustling just for Q4 at least, even if you're taking most of the year off. Figure out how to tier up, do your research, Google it, YouTube it. I'll post some links and articles in the description to help you out. And it's really important that you put up some stuff. And the other benefit is, once it goes through Q4 cycles, you pick up reviews and you pick up sales. So you get a lot of sales, which helps you tier up and set yourself up for the next year. And then you also pick up reviews, which adds to the stickiness of the sale. So you're going to have a broader portfolio of shirts that sell regularly, right? Because reviews help push the sale a lot. And then you're also going to get shirts which are now on the Amazon platform forever. So you never know what's going to happen down the line. It's now an asset that can earn you money, just that shirt, right? Okay, so there's a lot of reasons why we should take Q4 seriously, and it's the end of August right now. September is just around the corner. And it's time to start cracking and tier up and put up designs, and then chill out in January because January is quite a quiet month, and you can reward yourself with just 3 to 4 weeks off before Valentine's Day comes again, and you can start the merch cycle again. All right, hopefully that was an important video to watch, and thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon.